The government has launched two major policy frameworks to strengthen climate health systems and protect vulnerable communities. The Kenya Climate Change and Health Strategy and the Household Air Pollution Prevention Strategy, covering 2024 to 2029, aim to enhance health preparedness, promote clean energy, and cut harmful emissions. Health Cabinet Secretary Aden Duale said the move underscores Kenya's leadership in linking climate action with public health. The frameworks were unveiled during the Pan-African Conference on Environment, Climate Change and Health in Nairobi.
Climate change, a public health emergency, and embedding it as its central pillar in its 2025-2028 General Program of Work. This recognition, dear delegates, validates what we in Kenya have long understood, that the health of the people and the health of the planet are inseparable. Our ambition as Kenya, as a country, is very clear: to move from dialogue to a measurable impact. And we firmly believe that climate justice is health justice. Those least responsible for global emission are suffering the most severe health and economic consequences.
The global health body, the WHO, has also prioritized climate change as a global public health emergency and prioritized its framework in its global program of work for 2025